If you are staring at your affiliate dashboard and seeing big fat zeros day after day, you are probably ready to throw your laptop out the window, or maybe use it as a very expensive frisbee. Jim Daniels' 2026 master swipe file claims to fix this by literally handing you the keys to his 28-year-old business without the usual guru fluff or rented Lamborghinis. Let's see if it is actually worth the price of a burger. Hey, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. I have spent 6 years testing software and tools that promise the moon. Most of them belong in the trash. Today, I'm giving you an honest review of the 2026 Affiliate Marketing Master Swipe file. Real results, no fluff, just the truth. Before we dive in, if you decide to grab this through my link in the description, I have put together a custom bonus package for you. It fills in the gaps and helps you get results faster. Check the link below for details. So, what exactly is this thing? It is a comprehensive swipe file and training package for anyone who wants to make a living online. The main promise is simple. Stop guessing what works. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Instead, just copy the exact products and emails that a 28-year industry veteran uses to pay his bills. It is designed for newbies who are lost and struggling affiliates who are tired of the hustle. Using this system basically comes down to 3 dead simple steps. Step 1 is the research phase. Actually, you skip this. Jim gives you his elite list of products that actually convert. No more scrolling through marketplaces like a zombie. Step 2 is the promotion. You copy his conversational emails. These are not those pushy, salesy emails that make people unsubscribe. They sound like a friend talking to a friend. Step 3 is traffic. He includes a video course on using AI to get free traffic. You plug in the AI, get the clicks, and send them to the offer. Boom, profit. Here's what actually moves the needle with this package. First, you get the elite product list. Jim tests hundreds of products. He only lists the ones with low refund rates. This saves you from promoting junk that ruins your reputation. Second, the email swipes are gold. I know how hard it is to write good copy. It's painful. Here, you get over 100 emails written by a pro. You just fill in the blanks. It saves you dozens of hours of staring at a blank screen. Third, the AI traffic course. Most swipe files leave you hanging on traffic. This course shows you how to use AI to generate content that actually pulls people in. It solves the biggest problem most affiliates have. Now, let's talk money. The front-end price is starting at $9.95 during the early bird launch. It goes up to $12.95 and then $20 later. Compare that to hiring a copywriter. A decent copywriter charges at least $50 for a single email. Here you get hundreds of them for the price of a fast food combo meal. It's a one-time payment, no monthly fees. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
It's 2026 and the world of affiliate marketing is evolving faster than ever. With artificial intelligence taking center stage, a new wave of affiliates have been tapping into serious online income. This shift is unlike anything we've seen before, and most people won't realize the potential until it's too late. But for the people who recognize what's happening, this 2026 shift represents a chance for a fresh start online. I'm Jim Daniels, and I've been making my living by testing and recommending digital affiliate products for decades. Today, I'm inviting you to get ahead of the affiliate marketing crowd with my 2026 Affiliate Marketers Master Swipe file. This shortcut to reliable commissions contains my directory of top-selling products and services, plus all my custom promo material, licensed for your use. This isn't just theory. This is my exact playbook, the one that fuels my own income, and now it can be yours. I'll also share with you exactly how I drive free traffic to my affiliate links using AI, so you can maximize your reach without wasting time or money. The key to success in business is timing, and 2026 is the perfect time to freshen your approach. This is your opportunity to plug into a system that's already working and build something real and lasting. Let's team up and make 2026 the year you break through to a new level of affiliate marketing success. Download the 2026 edition of my Affiliate Marketers Master Swipe file today and start building your financial freedom.
There are a few optional upgrades in the funnel. You don't need them all, but pay attention to these. OTL1 is the AI campaign creator for $47. This creates complete campaigns and done-for-you bonuses. Creating bonuses is a pain, so this is a huge time saver. OTO2 is the AI storytelling master for $37. This helps you bond with your audience so they buy more. There are other upgrades for email open rates and passive income streams. My top pick is definitely OTO1 because bonuses are the secret to high conversions. Here's my personal take. I see a lot of shiny objects in this industry. Most gurus have been online for about 5 minutes. Jim has been doing this since 1996. That's like prehistoric times in the internet world. The value here isn't just the file, it's the strategy. His conversational style is exactly how I built my business. People buy from people, not robots. This file teaches you how to be human, even if you are using automation. However, let's be real for a second. This is not a magic button. You cannot just download the file and expect money to fall from the sky while you sleep. You still have to set up the emails. You still have to drive the traffic using the methods he teaches. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme without doing any work, keep scrolling. This is for people who are willing to put in a little effort to build a real asset. Imagine waking up and seeing notifications of sales that happened while you were sleeping, not because you got lucky, but because you used a proven system that has worked for 3 decades. That is what the 2026 Master Swipe file unlocks for you. It takes the guesswork out of the equation. The launch pricing is super low, so don't wait until the price bumps up. Grab the link below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you save money or make money, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. See ya.